If you find your Snapchat account has been restricted, you can appeal the decision. Follow these steps to submit your appeal effectively. Step 1. Gather information. Collect all relevant details about your account, including your username, email address, and any notifications you receive regarding the restriction. This information will be essential for your appeal. Step 2. Access Snapchat support. Before starting recovery, use the src.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Submit an appeal. Locate the option to appeal an account restriction. Fill out the required form with accurate information, including your account details and a clear explanation of why you believe the restriction should be lifted. Step 4. Be honest and polite. In your appeal, be honest about your account activity and maintain a polite tone. Clearly state your case and express your desire to resolve the issue, as this can positively influence the review process. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your appeal, be patient. It may take some time for Snapchat to review your case and respond. Keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding your appeal status. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal an account restriction on Snapchat. Good luck!